Hello everyone, welcome you all to the lecture number 3. I think all are doing well and now you are focusing on your studies like competitive exams or board exam and that's so on. So already you have completed 2 lectures and it is our lecture number 3. In this lecture I am going to discuss an important thing that is unit system. So before going to a new topic, so let's recap whatever we have discussed already. So we are discussing about atomic mass and molecular mass in 2 previous lectures. So we have completed atomic mass in lecture number 1. In lecture number 2 we covered the molecular mass, and in under atomic mass we discussed about gram atomic mass or number of gram atoms, and under molecular mass we discussed about gram molecular mass and number of gram number of moles. So go let's see here. We are going to discuss about unit system and different types of unit system like C.G.S, M.K.S and F.P.S and standard unit system. So let's go. So today, so first of all we should know about unit, and after that we should know about unit system. Okay, let's see. uh, we are going to measure something like we have some potatoes or some tomatoes, some anything. Okay, so like you are going to uh, a shop and you have two boys some potatoes, like your mother has already ordered you that you have to buy 30 kg of potato. Okay, 30 kg of potato. Let's see here. So the amount, the measurement, whatever you are going to buy, that is 30 kg. Okay, we are dealing with this only 30 kg. So there is nothing about the potato. Only we have to know about the 30 kg. Okay, let's see here. It is the total amount that we have to buy. Okay, let's see here. Two parts are there. One is 30. Let's see 30, and another is kg. Okay, so it is called the numerical part and it is called the unit. Okay, when any measurement is expressed in anything. Okay, so which things are used to measure anything, that is called unit. Okay, here unit is kg. Okay, have you noticed anything that in the place of kg we use gram, milligram, and decagram, ton, etc. and etc. So for knowing the units we are going to discuss about unit system. Okay, so do you know about the fundamental quantities? We had 7 fundamental quantities, like first was mass, second was length, third was time, fourth was temperature, and the fifth one is mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, electric current. Fourth one is amount of substance, amount of substance. Let's see the unit of mass. The standard unit is kg. We'll discuss later. Okay. Then length is meter. For time it is used Kelvin is used. For temperature. Sorry. Wait. Kelvin is used for temperature. Not temper. Yeah, Kelvin for temperature. For time, we are using second, and for electric current, ampere. Amount of substance is mole. It is mole, and it is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity, which is measured in a unit called candela, which is written as CD. Okay, so we have 7 fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities. And we have to measure all these quantities, so we are using units. So we are using different types of units for expressing any one fundamental quantity. For example, you can take the example of mass. Okay, for expressing the amount of mass, we are using kg, gram, milligram. But among these three, only kg uh, is a standard unit. Okay, so we are going to deal or we are going to discuss the measurements which are used in the past. Okay, so we will discuss every types of units. Okay, let's go. So first unit system was F.P.S, that is F.P.S system. Okay, in the F.P.S, this F stands for foot, P stands for pound, and S stands for second. Okay, let's see what is foot, what is pound, and what is second. Okay, listen, keep it only one thing you should know about this. In any unit system, we express only three fundamental quantities like mass, length, and time. Okay, these first three fundamental quantities are expressed in every system. Okay, let's see. We use foot for measuring the length. For measuring mass, we use pound. It is for mass, and for measuring time, we use second. Okay, let's see time. So you don't know, I think maximum people don't know that what is foot, what is pound. Okay, so we deal the foot with the standard units like foot, no, foot for meter. We express foot in the term of meter. Okay, let's go. 1 foot is equal to 12 inch, and 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, and this pound, it is a unit of mass. So 1 pound is equal to 453 453.592 gram. Okay, in F.P. system, we are using foot, pound, second for expressing length, mass, and time respectively. So one, let's go to the second. Let's go. Second system, when foot, pound, second was proposed, it was going on, but after some time, the scientist invented new units. Okay, so then after F.P.S, C.G.S was discovered. So we can write here C.G.S system, C.G.S. Okay, C.G.S stands for C for centimeter, G for gram, S for second. S for second. Okay, centimeter is a unit which is used to measure the length. Okay, and gram is a unit which is used to express or measure the mass, and second is a unit which is used to measure the time. Okay, let's see time. So you know already that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, or 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Also you can write 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Okay, so don't worry about anything. So how to convert meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, kilogram to gram. So for this purpose only I will take another particular video. So don't worry about anything. So just you should know about the systems and which system is used nowadays. Okay, let's go to the next system. Next system is M.K.S system. What is M.K.S? Next system is M.K.S system. Like C.G.S, M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, and S stands for second. Okay, let's go. So meter is a unit which is used to measure the fundamental quantity which is length. Okay, meter is used to measure length, and kg is used to measure mass, and second is also used for time. Okay, so you can write here 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram also. Let's move to the next thing. Okay, let's go. After that, the final unit which is called standard unit, that is proposed, and that is SI unit. The full form of SI unit is International Standard Unit. What is International Standard Unit? Okay, let's see here. Let's see. In previous three unit system, 7 fundamental quantities are there, but only 3 fundamental quantities are expressed. But in SI system, 9 fundamental quantities are there. Let's see, as I discussed with you, the 7 fundamental quantities you can see here. Only in SI system, but only 2 extra quantities are there, which are solid plane, and another is solid plane, not solid angle and plane angle. Okay, one is solid angle and another is plane angle. Plane. Okay, in SI system, 2 extra units fundamental quantities are there, along with all 7 fundamental quantities. In SI units, total 9 fundamental quantities are there. You can see here in SI unit it is similar to M.K.S. Okay, but in M.K.S system we are using only 7 fundamental quantities, but in SI we are using 9 fundamental quantities. No differences are there, except this one. There is no any differences. So in this system we use meter for measure length, kilogram for measuring mass, and second for measuring the time. Okay, these are the fundamental uh, informations about the unit system. Okay, so let's see summary what we have discussed in this lecture. So first of all we see what is unit, then in different types of unit system. Okay, Now lecture is I am going to end the lecture. So we will meet again after some days, and till then take care. Bye bye. Keep growing.